Hi, Francisco with BenQ here. Today, I'd like to take you through the features and functions of your RP7504 BenQ board. The RP04 is BenQ's latest and greatest, featuring our fastest processor and Google EDLA certification. What that means for you is that you're going to experience a smooth, seamless interaction with your board, as well as native Google app support. For example, here we have Google Chrome, Google Drive. You're also going to have things like Google Sheets, Google Docs, and Google Slides. For additional Google applications or other applications available via the Google Play Store, please consult your local IT administration team to verify those applications.